And it should be discussed thoroughly well. Because the issues, some issues are really an attack to the marriage itself. Tell your neighbor, the Archbishop has spoken it. The Christmas we are remembering happened and rotates around marriage. Joseph and Mary. So we should handle marriage issues with a lot of care. Otherwise, these guys of LGBTQ plus queer, they can also come in. Because they may say, this is the Christians also have theirs. The Christians have theirs. The Muslims also have theirs. And this one have theirs. We can also have ours, LGBTQ, queer, something. No! We should handle those things with care. That one will handle it with a lot of care. Because we have discovered there are certain things like sex-section marriage can be converted into some. Really? How can this happen? Tell your neighbor, the Archbishop is not happy with this bill. Anything which is bad, discard it. Because this country should promote marriage values and all our values. Joseph promoted and respected the values. That's why he said, even though there is this, I'll take this woman. I thought I need to talk about that so that legislators who are here, they will have something to talk about after we have left. So that they will not look at some of the things and say, hey, why is that bishop not happy here and there? So that you give it attention. Otherwise, when you go wrong, we'll wait for you when you come back.